Hi everyone! Cut 3 apples into pieces. I'm Isabel. Welcome to my channel, where we bake everything in the air fryer. Put them in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Air fryer baking is easy. Just follow my tips and you'll get it perfect every time. Put the apples in the air fryer. Top with butter. Bake the apples at 170 degrees Celsius 338 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Two eggs. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt. Help my channel grow. Drop a comment or even just an emoji below. Add 1/2 cup sugar. Mix everything well. Add 2/3 cup flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder. Mix the batter. If it's too thick, you can add a little milk. Pour the batter over the apples and spread it evenly. Please like this video or leave a comment. It really helps me out. Thank you. Bake the cake at 160 degrees Celsius 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. 5 minutes before the end of baking, flip the cake over. Dust the cake with powdered sugar. Perfectly baked. That was very simple and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your meal.